Kotlin tutorial number 3, variables and types. Val prevents reassignment at compile time. The compiler tracks every read-only reference and rejects reassignment at the call site, not at runtime. Switch to var only when you genuinely need to change a value. This single discipline eliminates whole categories of bugs: accidental reassignment, aliasing bugs, and stale state. Kotlin has 4 integer types: byte 8 bits, short 16 bits, int 32 bits the default, and long 64 bits add L suffix. Use underscores in numeric literals for readability. 10000000 compiles to the same value as 1,000,000 but is far easier to scan. Kotlin defaults to double for decimal literals. It is 64-bit and precise enough for most work. Add an F suffix to get a float, 32-bit, tilde 6 digits of precision. Boolean has exactly 2 values, true and false. Unlike Java, Boolean and Boolean are the same type in Kotlin. Unlike Java, Kotlin never silently widens numeric types. Assigning an int to a long is a compile error call. To long, explicitly. To int or null is the safe variant. It returns null instead of throwing number format exception when the string is not a valid number. Use const val for compile time constants. The value is inlined by the compiler, so there is no property access at runtime. Const val must be at top level or in a companion object, must be a primitive or string, and the value must be known at compile time. Val is for runtime constants. Triple-quoted raw strings need no escape characters and span multiple lines. Call trim indent to strip leading whitespace added for code alignment. Use them for JSON templates, SQL queries, regex patterns, anywhere backslashes or new lines would clutter a regular string.